Out in the woods, and I'm with the legend that is Cole, aka Hazard Outdoors, and we're going to cook up some sausages and we're going to try these sauces by Kent Survival. Right, so I suppose most of you probably know who Kent Survival is. He's got quite a popular YouTube channel. That,
not as many who know Hazard Outdoors, mate.
Yeah, not as many as Hazard Outdoors, I've got to say, but you know, I'm a big fan of Kent, and those you probably don't know, he used to, before he was YouTuber, he used to make these sauces. I think he was called Smoky Davidson's, and I'm pleased to see that he's bringing some back. So Hazard's brought his new stove out today, and I've brought some sausages, Bonnet. So we're going to cook up some food and we're going to try these out.
Scotch Bonnet as well.
Yep, but Bourbon Chipotle, is that Chipotle? Scotch Bonnet and Mango Habanero, which sounds really nice.
Glad I bought beer now.
I bought these myself. They were on sale. They're usually £18 for this gift pack of 3. I paid 15 and postage to UK was $4.99.
Did he give you money off? Because like you're a big fan of it?
No, should have done, really shouldn't, but I'm happy to pay that price for it. That's pretty good. So let's get fired up and get cooking. Sausages cooked. Let's try them. Right, what should we go for first? Let me just throw that down there.
I think we should go.
Go for. We've got a choice between.
You go. I think we should leave the hot sauce for last. And then
yeah, so leave the Scotch Bonnet to last.
Yeah. Go for some mustard, then barbecue.
Well, it's a mango habanero hot sauce, so it's a hot sauce as well.
That's all right. I'll have that.
We're going for that first, yeah. Okay. Get your plate then.
Dollop on there, if you please.
Oh, more?
Yeah, you can see that's going to be hot. Thank you very much.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that'll be hot.
Let's have a little.
Right, Kent Survival. Let's see what you got. Can't smell anything.
I'm going to try it without a sausage first.
Then again, I've got a cold, so.
That's nice. Fruity.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's a fruity taste, isn't it? It's
yeah, definitely not
too hot.
Like.
Not too
There's
hot.
Spice afterwards, actually. Not in your mouth at all. It's down here.
Mm.
Much as yeah.
Try a bit more without the sausage. Yeah, you can see the bits of fruit in it, can't you?
Yeah. Bits of chilli, mate.
What is it? It's the mango habanero. So let's
Habanero is a chilli.
let's have a little look while you try that.
Habanero is a chilli, but the mango
Yeah.
will be the fruit.
Right. So what Andy from Kent's Five says about this is, my mango habanero sauce is a sweet blend of fruits and vegetables with a warming selection of peppers and spices, perfect for chicken, fish, and even pork. A splash on tacos will take your dinner to 10. Right.
I'll go along with that. It's nice. I like it. It's not too hot.
Yeah, it's not too hot, is it? A bit more.
Actually, it's not. It's not really. I wouldn't really call it hot at all. It's literally just got an after sort of hit.
Yeah.
This would be a beginner sort of heat, I think. Even though habanero is quite a warm chilli.
Right. Yeah. So yeah, I'm guessing it's got habanero in it, which I should say more on the bottle, isn't it? But yeah, it's got mango, yellow peppers, vinegar, pineapple. That's what I can taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, onion,
And the mango.
water, rapeseed oil, ginger, yellow habanero, just 1%, ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric, and oregano.
Yeah,
So yeah,
I think,
definitely taste the pineapple in that.
yeah, and fruity, like you say, definitely. So the mango and pineapple taking all of the heat out of it, mainly. It's only when it gets down here, you're like, yeah, it's got a bit of heat.
So what we're going to go for next then? You said we'll go for
The barbecue now.
the Bourbon Chipotle.
Bourbon. I like bourbon.
Yeah.
Bourbon.
Bourbon, Chipotle.
Chipotle. Chipotle. Chipotle.
Let's see what he says about this one then. I think this one, if I remember,
He says you pronounce it Chipotle.
Chipotle. Well, he's pronounced it Chipotle. I've seen his video. So, right, Chipotle. I think if I remember when he was Smokey Davison, I think this was the sauce he made.
So that's what it used to be called, was it?
Yeah, before he was YouTube, he was Smokey Davison sauces. So,
Yeah.
so this one says, my barbecue sauce was my first recipe and the start of my barbecue journey.
Are you sure he started doing them again, or has he always done them, but you've only just seen
No,
them?
he started doing it again.
Ah.
So over a year of trials, testings and cookouts brought me to my bourbon chipotle sauce. A more complex flavour profile for those looking for something new. Wings, pulled pork, burgers, this sauce goes with just about anything.
How much were these? Tenner plus postage?
No, 15, but usually £18.
Yeah.
They're on sale at the moment, £15, but I think they're sold out. And £4.99 postage, but that's to the UK, so I'm UK based, so UK to UK. I don't know what the postage is in other countries, so.
Thinking about getting some.
Right. This is quite a thicker sauce, this. Oh, should come out a bit. Where you want it? There?
Yeah. Well, thank you. Lovely.
That enough?
Yeah, I'm not overly keen on barbecue sauce. It's more the hot sauces for me.
Yeah.
Barbecue sauce, just barbecue
We're right
sauce.
for my next video then, mate.
It won't be a problem for me.
Yeah, that's going to be a hot one. Right, let's try it first without the sausages. They're nice.
Wow, really sweet.
Oh, that is, isn't it? Oh,
Oh, lovely.
that one's got some of the old sauce in it, so get a lot of this on
Yeah,
here.
that's really sweet. And hot.
Hot?
Yeah, there's some chili in that as well.
Yeah, I'm not getting any heat, mate. I'm getting
Why?
sweetness.
This should be the one that you
That is
begin
lovely.
on.
That is lovely.
This should be the one that you begin on, then you go to the yellow.
Well,
and
this
then
is-
the hot sauce.
This is, I guess, would be his, what you call his signature sauce, wouldn't it? Because
Mhm.
it's what he started on. So he's perfected this over years. So it's
It's hot. That's getting hotter.
I don't get no heat from it. I don't know.
It's definitely getting hotter.
I don't know what you're getting, mate. Right, so it's got tomatoes,
Chipotle in it.
sugar, onion, vinegar, molasses, brown sugar, liquid smoke, bourbon whiskey, 1.5%,
No,
chipotle powder, 1.5%,
Chipotle powder, that's it.
garlic powder, tomato puree, paprika, orange juice, salt, black pepper. Oh yeah, it's got chili powder as well,
Yeah.
thickener,
Definitely got more.
xanthan gum, I don't know what that is, ground cumin, onion powder, and star anise powder.
Mm-hmm. That was surprising. Didn't think that was going to be hot. That's not hot, boiling, but it's
I don't know, I'm not getting.
hotter than the yellow one.
Let's try it again. Yeah, I'm not getting heat. It's getting sweet.
It's sweet, but then the sweet takes out a lot of the, hotness of the chili, but it's definitely there.
Okay, so now, how would you pronounce that? Scotch Bonnet? Scotch Bonnet?
Scotch Bonnet.
Bonnet.
Yeah.
So we got on it.
Scotch Bonnet, American, innit? Ironically.
Sausage on me. Oh, this is the runny one.
Yeah, that's going to be hot.
Really?
What they have in the
Gonna have a bit, have quite a bit
southern, the southern guys. The southerners in America have this.
So, let's see what he says about that one then. So he
I'm
says,
going to wait.
simplicity is key to why this hot sauce is so Moorish. The fruity notes of the mighty Scotch bonnet pepper, complemented with garlic and seasoning, make it ideal for spicing up any dish or slavering on your chicken wings.
I think this is, I think it's Californian, isn't it? Scotch Bonnet.
Let's try it without the.
Oh, smell it.
Yeah, it's got
Hot.
oh, what's that smell? Oh, I can't remember what that sauce called now. Yeah, it's got a kick. Not too hot. That's not too hot at all, but yeah.
That's sweet. All the heat is taken out in the sweet. No, tell a lie. I've just swallowed it.
That's nice though. Yeah, it hits you.
Moorish, I agree.
That's nice.
That is hotter. It's a definite step up. Just see him and Simon trying these.
Yeah, I like that. It is hot, but it's nice. Hot. Too hot.
No,
No.
no, not too hot. Enough to need something to wash it down with.
So what we got? Not much in this. Vinegar, chili puree, which is made up of chili, vinegar and salt. Sugar, garlic, Scotch Bonnet, 3.8%, salt. So yeah, when he says simplicity, I get what he means by that. Is there's barely anything in that.
That's mainly chilies. So you've got chilies and then Scotch Bonnet.
And these are best before 10th 2024 as well. I don't know if it's the same. So they last a while, don't they? Yeah, they're the same.
Even
all
after opened?
No, I guess after opening. Once open, keep refrigerated and use within 4 weeks, which still isn't bad, is it? 4 weeks.
No, I don't know if I'll be able to eat all that in 4 weeks. So.
I don't know. I reckon I could make that noise.
It's nice, but would you have it with all your food? I suppose you could. Ain't much you couldn't have it with, to be
Obviously
fair.
a bacon sandwich, mate.
You shouldn't be having bacon sandwiches.
I haven't. I've been good. Okay, so you got a favourite?
Probably the barbecue, actually, for me.
Yeah?
I like the Scotch Bonnet.
So at the start, you were saying you're not much of a fan of barbecue, weren't you?
Yeah, as a
But
rule.
that's your favourite?
But yeah, as a rule, barbecue sauce. I find a bit boring, but actually that's my favourite.
So that's Hazard Outdoors' favourite.
I like the Scotch Bonnet, but that's a hard second.
Yeah, I think that's my favourite. Scotch Bonnet. Really like that.
The yellow one. What was that one?
That was nice as well. I think mango habanero. That's I reckon if you cooked up some chicken wings with that.
Yeah, I think it was a bit too fruity for me.
Yeah.
It didn't have enough heat.
I think this will be better warmed up.
Yeah, maybe.
I reckon.
But this is all of it. I think is a barbecue mix.
Yeah, yeah.
There's in your summertime when you barbecue, or even winter, you know, when we're cooking on the fire. This is ultimate sauces to take out for fire use, I think.
Well, you've eaten it all, so
I love it.
you're gonna get some. There you
Yeah.
go, mate.
I don't know which.
You can get the 3-pack,
There you go.
which is all free.
18 quid.
Yeah, or £15 at the moment.
But they're sold out.
They're sold out at the moment. Yeah. Okay, so
Cheers.
should we do this properly and give them a score?
The score.
I'll let you go first.
What are we scoring on? Heat? Oh.
Overall, price. Yeah, I guess overall I mean, when I first got them, I didn't read it properly. It's 150ml, but I actually thought I was going to get smaller bottles, so I was actually quite surprised how much I got.
Decent size.
Yeah, that surprised me. I was happy with that. So, out of 10.
For which one? Scotch Bonnet?
Well, yeah, you can do them individually and then all together.
Okay, for all of them, out of 10, as a box set, I think I'd give them a hard 8 because I'd like to.
Hard
eat them.
8?
Yeah.
Do you know what, I'm going to give it 10. I actually really enjoy them.
I really enjoy them, but
I am actually going to give them a 10. Definitely on the Scotch Bonnet. I like that.
10.
I don't know, yeah, because I can't. There's nothing. I can
all right,
fault.
I'm a bit harder than you.
Yeah, you're a bit hard, but there's nothing I can fault about them. So there's no points I can knock off. So,
but yeah,
an 8 from
Scotch
you,
Bonnet.
10 from me.
Yep. Okay, I'll go with that.
Excellent. So you can get these from Ken Survival's website. I will put a link below, and try them yourself. And if you have tried them before, then please do put in the comments what you thought of them. Score them yourself. if you haven't tried them, then certainly try them out. And yeah, that's enough for us. We're gonna sit here now with Haz's new toy.
Fire.
His new fire. Was it a stove?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, stove, hot tent
isn't it?
stove. We're gonna sit here with that. We're gonna have a little burn up. We're gonna have a cup of tea. You're gonna have a beer, aren't you? Or,
I am.
Or sorry, an IPA.
Guys, something to put out that flames from that last one there.
Yeah. So yeah, so thank you, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, or don't, whatever. Till next time, cheers.